Separate vinyl siding where the courses overlap. To be sure you're not trying to unhook a molded area that won't separate, look at the siding from below. The connection between courses will have a seam and tiny holes for drainage. The molded areas in the middle of the course will not. To remove a siding piece, insert the removal tool where the panels overlap. Use the tool to pull down on the hooked edge while gently pulling the siding away from the piece below it. Once the siding piece is free, hold it out of the way while you use a cat's paw to pull the siding nails. A Japanese-style puller's small claw makes it easier to grab the nail head. Once all the nails are removed, push the siding piece straight down to free it from the course below. Continue pulling nails and removing courses until you've removed all that's necessary. Reinstalling vinyl siding is the reverse of removal. Hook the siding onto the previous course or the starter strip and confirm the piece is fully hooked by pulling up gently and sliding it side to side. A fully engaged piece will slide back and forth easily. If the siding doesn't move easily, look for small humps where the courses hook together. Push on the raised area while pulling up on the siding until the two pieces are fully joined. You often hear a satisfying zipping sound as two uncooperative siding pieces are joined together. Improper nailing prevents vinyl siding from expanding and contracting with changes in temperature. This causes unsightly creases and buckling. To prevent problems, position the nails so they're centered in the nail slot and don't drive the nail home. There should be a little space, about the thickness of a dime, between the nail head and the siding. Don't fully insert the siding into J-channel, outside corners, and window flanges. There needs to be some room for expansion. Leave 1/4 inch between the end of the panel and the receiving channel. On cold days, below about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, leave 3/8 of an inch. And that's how you remove and reinstall vinyl siding.